See what your dentists see, now in the palm of your hand. Most dental issues begin silently. Without clear visibility, patients miss early signs, and dentists struggle to diagnose remotely. Dentulu's MouthCAM brings cutting-edge intraoral imaging into your hands, so you and your dentist can see the problem clearly, even virtually. The wireless MouthCAM connects effortlessly to iPhones, Androids, and tablets through Wi-Fi. It's rechargeable, portable, and built for convenient use anytime, anywhere. Prefer a wired option? The USB personal dental camera connects to PCs, tablets, and Android devices for the same HD imaging, perfect for tracking your oral health over time. With the MouthCAM app, you can store, organize, and track your images and videos, making it easier to monitor changes and share with your dentist instantly. From spotting cavities to monitoring gum health, MouthCAM gives you and your family control over your oral health journey. Discover the best intraoral camera for precise oral diagnostics. Order your MouthCAM today at mouthcam.com, because healthier smiles start with better visibility. See your mouth, see your health with MouthCAM.